Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to open a Monzo bank account in the UK. So let's get started. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a Monzo bank account in the UK. First, download and open the Monzo app on your smartphone. Tap I'm new to Monzo to begin the registration process. Enter your email address, tap Next, and check your inbox for a verification email from Monzo. Click the verification link to log into the app. Next, select the type of account you want and enter your full name along with your date of birth. Tap Next to continue. Provide your home address and mobile number, and you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and confirm by tapping Yes, please to proceed. Now, tap Get Started and answer a few security questions to verify your identity. After that, agree to Monzo's terms and conditions. Monzo will review your details, which may take up to 24 hours. Once approved, your account will be ready to use, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.